A few months ago, GoPro announced that they want to put a new types of the cameras on the market in the 2022. They promised, and now apparently they started delivering. Only a few days ago, GoPro announced the Hero 10 Bones, which is the special version of the Hero 10 Black designed to run on the FPV drones. And if you want to, you can buy it. Well, sort of. So what exactly is this Hero 10 Bones? It's stripped down Hero 10 Black. You know, factory made by GoPro naked version of the Hero 10. They removed the battery, removed the front screen, back screen, changed the position of the buttons, added possibility to simply start and stop recording by connecting to the flight controller, and made everything light. So yeah, professionally made GoPro Hero 10 naked. And let's be honest, it sounds like a great idea, because the Hero 10 is the great camera, and if you make it super light, then it will work just fantastically on the small multi-rotors and still offer amazing video quality. However, there is a catch, and boy, it's a big one. Catch number one: the camera can be bought only in the United States. If you're living outside of the United States, sorry, no ready-made Hero 10 naked for you. You have to get yourself a full black edition. Probably it's because of the Hero subscription and the possibility to get the new bones if you damage your current one. Because yes, this time, if you damaged your naked, but officially made naked, you can get the new camera. Because it's made by GoPro, it's signed by GoPro, and you have the subscription bought for your naked, named Bones Hero 10. And probably someone in the accounting department computed that this model will work only in the United States, because the market is big, and those things are, well, even if you make them light, they crash a lot. But that's only the first issue with the Hero 10 Bones. The second issue, and I think much more important, is that, well, this is supposed to be stripped down version of the Hero 10. You do not have battery, you have lighter case, you have no front screen and no back screen. So you might expect that overall the cost of such a camera should be lower than the cost of the full Hero 10 Black. Well, count again. Today, if you want to buy yourself the Hero 10 Bones, and you live of course in the America, you have to pay $50 more, not less. Hero 10 Bones, which is the lighter, smaller and weaker version of the Hero 10 Black, is $50 more expensive. Where's the logic in that, you might ask? I think in the accounting, because I think that GoPro is expecting a lot of shipments of the damaged bones because, well, you know, drone crashes, and this is why they just raised the price of the device, although I'm pretty sure the manufacturing of this thing is super cheap, at least much cheaper than the full GoPro Hero 10. Just to get some profit out of this. You know, something like the insurance. But finally, hey GoPro management, if the Hero 10 Bones is one of those new types of the camera you promised us a few months ago, well, I'm disappointed. I was hoping for something professional, but instead got something I cannot buy, and I have to pay more for less. Probably not the best deal in the history of deals. So yeah, I think we do have a problem over here. If you would like to know more about the Hero 10 and what the camera offers, here's the video for you. I'm Paweł Spychalski, thank you very much for watching, and like always, happy flying!